Whether you've chosen a lightweight, foldable transit design or a heavy-duty self-propelled model with full suspension, your wheelchair will boost your independence and quality of life. In this video, we're going to share a few handy tips so you can get the very most out of your wheelchair. First, cut the cable ties around the box using a sharp pair of scissors. Open the box and lift out your wheelchair. Don't forget to check the box to make sure you've got everything you need. Remove all of the packaging from the wheelchair, including any that might be covering the handlebars. To set the wheelchair up, first push the armrests outwards before pushing down the seat. Ensure that the seat is securely locked into the guides on the frame. Raise the half-folding backrest to its correct position using the handlebars for leverage. Now you can attach the foot plates. Rotate the foot plate and then use the lever to lock it into place. If applicable, attach the seat cover using the Velcro fastening. On wheelchairs with quick-release wheels, you should ensure they are securely fitted to the frame before use. As part of general maintenance, you may need to tighten or loosen the brakes from time to time. For this, you'll need an Allen key. Turn to the right to tighten the brakes and to the left to loosen. To adjust the footrest height, first loosen the screw. Set the footrest height to the required notch and then tighten the screw back into place. Secure the footrest again using the lever. To remove the footrest, swing it away from the seat using the lever, then lift it out of the cylinder. And remember, if you have any questions whatsoever, then please do look at our website where you'll find lots more details, and you can also chat to us online. Alternatively, give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.